Hi, Doc Shales here. We're going to do a ginger ale, and with that I've got some lemons here. I'm going to squeeze 4 lemons, get the fresh juice out of that. I'm going to grate about 1.5 cups worth of ginger. I'm going to throw it in the jar with some sugar and some starter, and that's going to be ginger beer. So I'm going to fix up the ingredients and then I'll get right back with you. Okay, back with you. I grated up all my ginger right here, and I'm taking a cup of sucanate, organic sucanate, and juice of 4 lemons, and stirred that up till things are pretty well dissolved. And I put my starter culture in there as well, 1 packet, and I'm going to do it with a yogurt starter culture. And with that, I'm just going to put all this ginger right into the jar. And I haven't chopped it up real small because it's going to be easier to filter out all this mass if it's not chopped up too small. But the more you chop up stuff, the better saturation you're going to get with the probiotics getting out of there. So it's all just personal preference as you learn what you want to do and the tools that you have available. So I'm putting all that ginger in there, and then we're going to pour the mixture. It's still pretty soupy, kind of thick with the sugars. So I'm going to stir that up real good, and then I'll probably add water to get everything out of there. So that's got my probiotic starter, the sugar, and the lemon juice in there. And I'm walking over here to my water-wise stuff, and because there's still some sugar in there, so I'll pour the water-wise water. Good clean water. You want water that doesn't have fluoride or chlorine in it, because those are going to kill your good bacteria. So you can have spring water. If you know that your water is fresh out of well water, that's going to work well too. And Water-Wise has been around quite a time, and I think they make a great product. So with that, we're filled up. We've got a little bit of room for fermenting. We're already getting a little bit of bubbles happening in there, which is terrific. You always make sure everything you've got is clean. And so there, and I've got my bubbler I'm going to put on, because we have a specialized bottle that can put a fermentation like beer and wine. So I'll put just a little water in there, put the cap on there so stuff can get out, put that up, and it's ready to go. Ginger beer. Very easy, and it'd been a lot quicker if I had a food processor to chop up the ginger. When it comes to these ferments, food processors can really speed things up, but you can chop everything by hand. It works fine. Thanks.